Changing your verification method with Bank of America can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Settings section. This is usually found in a menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Security Options. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Choose a new verification method. You will see a list of available verification methods such as text message, email, or phone call. Select the method you prefer and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting a new verification method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your chosen method. Follow the instructions to complete the process and ensure your changes are saved. By following these steps, you can easily change your verification method with Bank of America, enhancing your account's security. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.